What if you could remove vocals from a song, isolate the instruments, or create a clean karaoke track without paying anything? With LALAL.AI, you can actually test its AI stem separation for free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use LALAL.AI, what you can do on the free plan, and the important limitation you need to know before you start. LALAL.AI is an AI-powered audio separation tool that can split music into vocals, instrumentals, drums, bass, guitar, piano, and other stems. It's useful for karaoke, remixing, music practice, sampling, and editing. First, open the LALAL.AI website and click Login. Create your account using email, Google, or Facebook. You don't need a credit card for the free starter plan. Once you're logged in, open Stem Splitter and choose what you want to separate. For example, vocal and instrumental. Now click Select Files and upload your song. LALAL.AI supports popular audio and video formats including MP3, WAV, FLAC, AAC, M4A, MP4, MOV, and more. After uploading, the AI creates a short preview. Listen to the vocal or instrumental results before processing the complete file. If the separation isn't clean enough, you can try another available neural network and compare the preview. If you're happy with the preview, normally you click Split in Full to process the entire track. For example, mute the vocal stem and you've got an instrumental version that you can use for practice or karaoke. You can also choose other stem types like drums, bass, guitar, piano, synth, strings, or wind instruments. Here's the part you need to know. The starter plan is completely free and currently includes 10 minutes in the relaxed queue, with uploads up to 200 megabytes. But there's a major limitation, whereas the free plan lets you preview the results, while full result downloads require a paid plan. So free access is mainly useful for testing the quality before deciding whether you want to pay. And that's how to use LALAL.AI for free. Create an account, upload your file, choose the stem, preview the result, and test the separation quality. My personal opinion, LALAL.AI is one of the easiest tools for testing AI stem separation, but if you need to download full processed tracks regularly, you'll probably need a paid plan.